Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas Law Prep. So today we are going to discuss how to fill the CLAT application, what is the procedure to fill the CLAT application, what are the documents required, all those things. So step-by-step procedure to submit the entire CLAT application. So in the Google, just search CLAT 2027 so that CLAT Consortium link will be available. So this is the main page where you can fill the application. First, you need to register yourself. So click on the register. So your name, mobile number, email ID, and password and confirmation password. So these are the basic things first to register your name. So your name, mail ID, phone number, and you can fix your password. So after registering, you will get the OTP through your mobile phone. So based on that, you can again log in here. So your mobile number and password. So after logging in, so you can submit start filling the application. There you will get the details like whether you are appearing for CLAT UG or CLAT PG. So you can opt for CLAT UG. After that, are you an Indian citizen? Click on yes if you are an Indian citizen. So after this, your actual data resume, your main page will be resumed. So as I have already filled the basic details, so I am just showing you how to enter data. So you can save your data any number of times. You need not submit entire details, entire application at one go. You can save the data. There are total 5 steps: personal information, communication details, qualifying exam details, test center, and reservation. There are total 5 steps. You can save your application at any of the step. You can resume it whenever you have a time. So first, we need to upload our profile, our photo, passport photo, and signature. After that, your basic details. It's shown 10+2 intermediate certificate. So this is my basic, though it is not right because it is a demo purpose. So gender, date of birth, guardian, category. So if you are falling under reservation category, be careful while applying. So are you general category, OBC, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe? For general category, EWS category will be shown separately. So if you opt for OBC, here you need to upload your OBC certificate. If you are opting for SC or ST category, you need to upload a certificate. For EWS, at this point of time, you need not apply. Okay. So just if you are falling under general category or EWS, first you need to opt for general. So after that, do you fall under EWS category? If it is, suppose if you are OBC, they will ask you whether you are a creamy layer or non-creamy layer. For SC ST, nothing will be asked. For general, they will ask whether you are falling under EWS category. If you are falling under EWS category, yes. So no certificate need to be uploaded now, but you need to carry your certificate. Okay. So if you are not falling under EWS category, no, or yes, yes. Are you a PWD candidate, physically disabled candidate, yes or no, based on that. Next, do you qualify under BPL, below poverty line? So if you are generally if you are falling under EWS category, generally more number of cases, those people also fall under BPL, but BPL is up to 1.5 lakh, EWS is up to 8 lakhs. So these are two different things. EWS is different, BPL is different. If you are falling under BPL category, you may have to carry your certificate again. Submit a copy of the certificate. So if you are falling under BPL, if you are not falling under BPL, you need not carry a certificate. But EWS is different, BPL is different. BPL is up to maximum up to 1.5 lakh limit per annum. EWS is up to 8 lakh per annum is the limit. So these are two different certificates. Okay. Next, after this, you can save the draft. Next, you can move to the next stage. Again, communication details, your PIN code, address for communication, district, state, etc., etc. And you need to maintain other email ID as well. So 2 email IDs have to be maintained, your personal email ID and extra supporting email ID. Either it can be your parents or it can be your friends or anything, but you need to maintain 2 different email IDs. and 2 different mobile numbers. So during time of registration, your personal mobile number, personal email ID. At the time of application, alternative email number, alternate mobile ID. These are mandatory. Next. Again, save the draft. Go to the next stage. So what is your qualifying exam? So it is because the eligibility is you need to qualify 10 plus 2. So that is your qualifying exam. 10 plus 2, whether you fall under which group. Sciences, MPC, BPC, Sciences, Arts and Humanities, HEG kind of thing. And Commerce, MEC, CEC is a Commerce group. So based on that, you can fill it. Board, Telangana Board of Intermediate Education or Intermediate Education. Next, if you already appeared last year, you can choose past. If you are appearing now, you can say, if you are in the 12th class, you can say appeared or appearing. For those who are applying, who are appearing now, so they have given the data. If you are appearing for the class 12 exam in March or May, appeared, so you need to opt for May. So here it is like, opt for May 2027, and you need not enter your percentage because it is not yet out, because you are about to write your examination. Again, save the draft, go to the next stage. This is where you can opt your centers, test centers. 3 different locations have to be chosen. So if you are opting now, you can get whatever center you are choosing in the first option. If you are applying the application late, last moment, you may not get your first preference. So if you want to get the center in your first preference, so opt it immediately, as soon as possible. So test center 1, 2, 3 different locations need to be given. Okay. Next, save the draft, move to the reservation category. This is for domicile category. If you are falling under, whether you are falling under Karnataka domicile or whether you are falling under Telangana domicile or AP domicile. So based on that, you need to fill each and everything. Suppose now I am residing in Telangana. So what here I can do? I am not a Karnataka student, so I will opt for no. But I am a Telangana student, I am domicile category, so I will opt for yes. If you are opting for yes, again subcategory will be given. So under which category of Telangana you are choosing it, whether EWS of Telangana or OBC or OCD, OBCD, OBCC, OBCB. So all these are belonging to Telangana. So based on this is state level reservation. So OBC NCL is a central list. Here OBC ABCD is a state list. So if your caste is not falling under central list, under central category you can be you can become a general category, but under state category you can become a OBC as well. So first check your certificates whether your caste is a OBC of center or state. If your caste is mentioned only in the state list, in the central category, in the application you need to apply under general quota, and in the domicile category you can apply under OBC quota. So 2 different quotas can be available, but central all India rank will be given for general, but state level seat allocation can be given under OBC state category reservation. So I may apply for EWS Telangana because I opted for general category in the initial stages. So in all others you can keep as a no, because you can become a domicile of only one state. So all others you can keep no, opt for no. So after all these things you can submit your form. So this is how you can fill your CLAT application procedure. So please keep in mind, you need not submit the entire application at a single go. Application can be submitted after saving the various steps whenever you have a time. And please make sure you are maintaining 2 mobile numbers and 2 email IDs. So for registration, your personal mobile number and personal email ID, and after that while applying, alternative email number, alternative mobile ID, alternative mobile number, email ID, mobile number. Next, what are the certificates you need to carry? First, at this point of time, you need not upload your 10th class or intermediate certificates. Only certificates you need to upload here is your reservation certificates. If you are falling under OBC NCL or SC or ST or BPL categories, these 4 kind of certificates are mandatory to upload during the filling of application. EWS category people, they need not upload it now, because as we have seen no options available to apply it here. But remaining OBC NCL categories, SC/ST categories, and if you are falling under BBL category, so all these certificates are mandatory and passport photo and signature. So please make sure these certificates are ready to be uploaded. Please make sure these certificates are available in your mobile device or laptop while time of application, and all other steps are very easy to follow. And for any doubts, you can always reach us at Abhyaas Law Prep, or you can ask the doubt in the comment section. So we are there to support you. Until then, thank you. Bye-bye.